This will be an unbagging of the Kanhiro Fiberglass Fire Blanket. I'm covering up the barcode because I can't show that. Wish you never use it, but must for household. Long shelf life. Suggest replace around 5 years. Okay. So we'll just get the bag open here. Okay, this already has a nice weight to it and some directions of how to use. Okay, so this package comes with 2. I'm kind of getting my bearings of it here. So it says pull tapes to release. So these tabs here, it looks like you just pull it, and I'll try that in a second. But you can also wrap someone in it, although it says not adequate for adult wearing. So I guess someone smaller than an adult. If they were on fire, you could wrap them in this. But I think most of us will just have this hanging up in our kitchen by this strong feeling grommet, and we'll see if it comes out when I pull it. Okay, I'm holding with one hand, I'm pulling with the other, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, came right out, and it feels really nice. You would just open it up and lay it over the fire. The material feels really sturdy. I guess it's fiberglass, fireproof. Very, very cool. I will fold this back up into the bag, and I'm excited to have this in my kitchen.